It's gonna rain, let's go! Good morning, you guys, and welcome back for another hike. Today we're in Golden, Colorado, doing probably one of the most popular trails that you can do in Golden. We're going to be going up to Mount Galbraith today and doing the loop trail up here. This hike is a 4-mile hike with just over 900 feet of vert, but it's a really friendly hike for a lot of people to do. So let's enjoy the day. Just over about 1.25 miles into the hike, and that's about the time that you'll hit the split for when you can go left or right to actually do the loop around Galbraith Mountain itself. But still great views, so we're gonna keep enjoying the hike. Rule of thumb when you're hiking with your dogs on a hot day, keep them hydrated. Mount Galbraith, and in good time too, because these clouds just rolled in out of nowhere and it's gonna start to downpour here in a couple minutes. So we got out of there at a good time. But it was a good hike as always. Mount Galbraith is a fun place, especially if you want to like take your dog. You can see a lot of views outside of Denver, maybe Golden, and not go too far into the mountains. It's a really fun spot. There's a lot of people here for a good reason. It's a very popular spot in Golden, like I said, but the parking lot is super tiny. So if you want to park up here and there isn't a spot in the parking lot, you can actually just kind of go down the street along the sides of the roads like we did today. But fun hike as always. We're gonna go back to the car right now and head home for the day. Got a couple things planned in the afternoon. And also, just so you guys know, in a couple weeks here, it's my birthday on May 15th. I'm gonna actually attempt to run 31 miles for my 31st birthday. So I thought that'd be a good time. I was gonna do it on my 30th birthday, but I kind of was taken out of the equation because I tore my ACL a few years ago. So I couldn't do it last year, but I don't know. It's kind of cool to say you can do an ultra for your birthday this year, so that's kind of fun. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching this video. We're gonna get the hell out of this storm really quick before anything bad happens. But I want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Have a great rest of your day.